Exploring the depth of ocean of compassion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the beauty of the English language. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and profound phrase, ocean of compassion. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love to enrich your vocabulary, this video will unravel the layers of meaning behind this poetic expression. So, let's set sail into this ocean. At first glance, ocean of compassion might seem like just another pretty combination of words. However, it's much more than that. This phrase is a metaphor that combines two powerful images: the vastness of an ocean and the deep, unconditional kindness represented by compassion. Ocean represents something immense and boundless. Oceans cover the majority of our planet's surface, symbolizing depth and infinity. Compassion, a deep empathy and concern for the suffering of others, accompanied by a desire to help alleviate it. When merged, these concepts suggest an infinite capacity for empathy, kindness, and understanding, a reminder of the potential for boundless benevolence within or towards others. Metaphors like ocean of compassion are not just poetic flourishes, they are crucial tools in language learning. They help us convey complex emotions and ideas in a relatable way. By comparing emotions to the natural world, we can communicate profound feelings more vividly. Understanding and using metaphors can greatly enhance your language proficiency and cultural comprehension. They are a bridge to deeper conversations and a way to connect with the emotional and philosophical underpinnings of a language. Incorporating ocean of compassion into your vocabulary can enrich your conversations and help you express admiration for someone's kindness. Here are a few examples. My grandmother was an ocean of compassion, always there to offer love and support. In times of crisis, we see communities become oceans of compassion, coming together to support each other. Remember, using such phrases not only showcases your language skills but also elevates the quality of your communication, making it more emotive and impactful. We hope this journey into the ocean of compassion has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the power of kindness and empathy. English is a language rich with expressions that can beautifully capture the depth of human emotions, and learning to use them is a journey worth taking. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been an enlightening voyage. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language and spreading your own ocean of compassion wherever you go.